Hi, I'm Tony, Vice President of Revenue here at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Did you know we specialize in collision repair websites? You may be thinking specialty collision repair shops don't need a website or advertising, but have you ever thought if customers can't find you online, chances are they can't find you at all? In this technological age, everyone is searching on their mobile device for what they need, and it won't matter if you're just down the street if they don't see you. There are around 60,000 collision repair shops in the US, and that business is growing. Because of that, you want to be found, especially if you're new to the collision repair industry. We also know that appearance matters to help shops stand out. That's why we develop attractive websites and make a great first impression for you. The importance of still having a presence where people can see you is essential. In this day and age, customers aren't driving around looking for you and scanning the yellow pages. They're searching on their mobile devices or computer, and they depend on the internet to give them good direction. Whether they're searching for collision repair shops near me or browsing online reviews for the best collision repair in town, customers are exploring and reading what they find. So what can we do for your collision repair business? Everything we just talked about and a lot more. We design websites to represent your brand and your collision services. We choose the keywords that best suit your shop and build a custom website around that brand. Most importantly, we get you more business by driving traffic to your website and increasing overall call volume for you. We can also help with what you don't always see. Our marketing services offer many added benefits to your collision repair business. We can help with things like pay-per-click advertising on Google, search engine optimization, custom content, and social media management. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more or have questions you would like us to feature in an Autoshop Academy video? Please submit your ideas or questions through the link below or email our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.